What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today, this is kind of an informational video, and we're basically asking for help. Yesterday, I found out in the evening after we got back on shore that Slimepack_392's account on YouTube had been hacked. Now, I saw what she posted on her story on Instagram. Now, the best way to get a hold of YouTube when something like this happens is to tweet at them, at YouTube creators, and maybe YouTube will actually see this itself. You know, I don't know what the community guidelines thing that they claim. I'm guessing somebody hacked her account and posted a bunch of stuff that isn't supposed to be on YouTube. That's my guess. But this is kind of a call to action for you guys. For my subscribers, if you enjoy my content and I've introduced you to Slimepack and you enjoy her content, I need y'all to get off your ass today. All right, I don't need your 99 cents a month. I'm not gonna put no skinny ass kids with big bellies in the video. There's no dogs and sad music. What you can do today is absolutely free. You can go right over to Twitter at YouTube creators at Slimepack_392 and let YouTube know that her account was hacked and we need them to help. Here's my concern. This is the thing that aggravates me right now. Is I'm gonna piss people off by saying this, but I'm also keeping it 100 though. If this was me and it happened, YouTube would have already fixed the issue, more than likely. If it was my brother Randy, or this is even where it's even going to sound worse, if it was a blonde-haired chick with blue eyes, like iJustine or something like that, you best goddamn believe it that YouTube would already be on it and fix it. And this is the kind of thing that makes me mad. I'm wondering, you know, this is bullshit. And these little, you know, I said I was going to get the scam YouTube channel started, but, you know, to expose the dumbasses that be doing dumb shit. And I think, you know, these dumbasses that are taking over YouTube accounts and posting these Bitcoin streams, like, it's time we just need to come for them, man. And that's what I feel, unfortunately, that we need to do. I'm a little aggravated, to be honest, about this whole situation. You know, Slimepack worked her ass off for that entire YouTube channel. When I tell you that this woman works hard, she goes to work at a 9 to 5. I say 9 to 5, but it's like she put in 12-hour shifts, man. You know what I'm saying? She comes to work. When you see her in the videos, she got her work clothes on, man. She's coming out to do videos and do work and then go to work. And then edit these videos at work for you guys for content. Like that, that's dedication. And I think she was like a little bit over 16,000 subscribers. And to do all of that work, to put in all of that time and all of that content, and listen, her content is ridiculously fire, man. And then to lose it all because some little bird, some little bitch ass motherfucker wants to hack her account and post some bullshit, it's not cool. And I really need YouTube to get off their ass and fix this expeditiously. Prove me wrong, YouTube. That's what I'm asking now. I want YouTube to prove me wrong, YouTube. Go restore this black woman's account ASAP. Because I have a feeling if it was somebody else, it would have been done already. And like having no response, no nothing from YouTube, especially like the stuff that we're seeing that's on Twitter and stuff right now, no response, you're not tweeting back about it, nothing. It's not a good look, man. It's not a good look, YouTube. And for y'all for YouTube to be saying that they really want to push these minority voices, right? Well, show me. Go fix Slimepack_392's account. And here's what each and every single one of you guys can do right now. You guys can go to Twitter. Even if you don't have a Twitter, go create one, man. All right. Go to Twitter at YouTube creators and at YouTube that Slimepack_392's account was hacked and we need their help. As many as y'all that can do it, they'll tighten it up and then we'll be good to go. I have a feeling that once that's done, YouTube might tighten up and get this thing where it needs to be. But anywho's, with that said, I'm going to get back to, I'm on vacation right now, but I had to make this video. So I need your help. I'm asking for your help. I haven't even talked to Slime Pack about it. I need your help though. I think the more pressure, the more attention we can get YouTube on this, the quicker they'll restore her account to where it was before it was hacked. And that's what we all want. I know that's what I want. I'm sure that's what y'all want. So let's go ahead and help her out. Can we get everybody to tweet at YouTube creators to fix SlimePack_392 account? And if somebody from YouTube sees this too, man, come on, man. Come on, man. We got to tighten up, man. Y'all got to do something about this BS. Whether you got to make two-factor authentication mandatory, we got to do something. We got to do something about this, man. This is not a good look. It's not a good look.